Guys, I'm back with another video, and this is day 2 of the 30 days of beauty. And for today I'm going to show you how I get soft, smooth lips, because as you can see, my lips look very dry and that ain't cute. So I'm going to show you what I do. First, we're going to use brown sugar, and we use that just to exfoliate the lips, remove all the dead skin that is on the lips. And then I use extra virgin coconut oil and organic coconut oil. Don't let me forget the organic. That's just to really moisturize the lips, seal in the moisture. And honey is also just another form of moisturizing the lips, helping the lips get soft and smooth. You're gonna need a bowl and a spoon to mix everything with, and a little container to hold anything extra that you have. So we're gonna start just by using 2 teaspoons of the brown sugar, and you can use as much as you want. I didn't want to make too much because it always goes to waste because I never use it all, so I just made a little bit. I used 2 teaspoons. And for the coconut oil, I use 1.5 to 2. I say that because you don't want the scrub to be too watery, and if you use too much of the oil, it kind of gets watery. So it's more on the 1.5 side rather than 2. But you can do it by eye, depending on how much sugar you use. And then I use the rest of my struggle honey because I clearly didn't have enough in there, but it all worked out in the end. So you're just gonna mix all of that together. So once you get all that mixed together, you put all of that in your container, and it's all ready to store. Make sure you store it in a dry place, and you're just gonna scrub your lips, really get in there. Make sure you're really working it into the corners of your lips, all over. The better you exfoliate, the smoother and softer your lips will be. So this is my lips with the scrub. I just let that sit 1 to 2 minutes before I rinse it off. And then after rinsing it off, I just take some coconut oil on a cotton swab and just moisturize my lips with that. And that is my routine for smooth, soft lips. Thank you guys for watching. As you know, we are in the midst of 30 days of beauty, day 2. We have more coming at you. We are on the road to 1K. I will see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe.
Go.